In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize reports in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to adjust dates, columns, filters, and layout, so every report matches exactly what you need. Whether you're preparing a monthly review, comparing to last quarter, or sharing a summary with your team, these tools will help you get accurate, easy-to-read results. Start by logging in to QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, open Reports. You can choose any report to practice with. Profit and loss is a great example. Once the report loads, look to the top and click Customize. This panel is where all the fine-tuning happens, and you'll see several sections you can expand. In general, set the report period to the exact dates you want, such as this month, last quarter, or a custom range. This instantly refreshes the numbers in view. If you need to switch how revenue and expenses are recognized, toggle between cash and accrual accounting. Cash shows activity when money moves. Accrual shows it when it's earned or incurred. You can also adjust the number format to control decimals, negative numbers, and separators, which makes large reports easier to scan. In rows columns, choose how to display columns by month, quarter, year, customer, or class. Pick the view that best answers your question: monthly trends, quarterly summaries, or customer-level performance. Turn on Compare to for prior periods or budgets to see variances side by side. Great for spotting improvements or overruns. If the report feels crowded, switch to Compact View to reduce white space. Use Standard View when you want more breathing room and clearer headings. Next, refine the data with filters. Narrow the report by customer, vendor, or employee to focus on a single relationship. Filter by account, class, or location to align with your chart of accounts or internal tracking. You can even limit by transaction type to isolate invoices, bills, or journal entries. Apply only what you need to answer the question at hand, keeping the report lean and relevant. In Header/Footer, edit the report title so it communicates exactly what readers will see, and choose whether to show date prepared. Add notes for quick context, or include your company name for a polished finish. As you make changes, the report updates automatically, so review the preview and confirm it tells the right story. When you're satisfied, click Save Customization. Give your layout a clear custom report name and click Save. A consistent naming convention helps you find it easily later. To share the results, click Export to download the customized report, or click Print if you need hard copies. That's how you customize reports in QuickBooks Online.